If you've been looking for a way to make a ton of money online without you having to show your face on camera, and also without you having to spend a ton of time trying to figure stuff out, then I have something for you here. I want you to pay close attention in this review. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this Flash review. We are going to be taking a close look at Flash, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with Flash. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Flash goes live on the 19th of November by 9 a.m. Eastern time, and I'm going to be revealing the custom bonuses that I'm giving you with Flash in a while. But what is Flash in the first place? Flash gives you access to training and software that ultimately allows you to make money online. Now, how are you going to be making this money? Flash gives you training on how to just copy and paste images. Rather, you are going to be able to copy and paste images and actually use these images to make a ton of money online. Right now, we are at a season where people actually shop online the most. So you are actually going to be taking advantage of this. You are going to be getting yourself in front of people who are ready to purchase. You are not going to be trying to explain stuff to people. You are not going to be doing that. You are not going to be convincing people to buy anything. You are not required to do that. All you need to do is copy images. Now, you are given access to software that allow you to actually turn these images into videos now, which is pretty cool. You are not going to be making long videos. All you need to do is copy the right images. You are going to find the training right here, and then you are going to get access to training on how to actually put these videos exactly in front of people that these images are actually proven to make them take certain actions, which ultimately ends up in you making a ton of money. Now, I like this so much because this is something you can actually start today and start earning right within just a few hours. Now, on this bonus page, you find video here that shows you. This is actually the video you are going to find in the members area of Flash. So you can come and check this video right here on this bonus page. So right now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses, and then also we'll talk more about this. Now, the first bonus I'm giving you allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. Now, Facebook allows you, Facebook is actually a platform where you can drive a ton of traffic. Either you are doing affiliate marketing, whichever way or whatever kind of business you're actually doing, you can actually get a ton of high quality traffic from Facebook. Now, not only that, this software is something you can actually use and offer as a service on platforms like Fiverr, where you can actually manage other people's Facebook pages and stuff like that. But one cool thing is this allows you to set up traffic on autopilot. You can actually schedule images, videos, links, different type of content to continuously drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. And another cool thing is this works in any niche. Bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based software that allows you to drive traffic in any niche by using other people's video. Now, one cool thing about this is this does not require you to create content. You can simply use other people's video. Now, you can actually place your own affiliate links on top of other people's videos, and this works in any niche. You can actually upload images, make them show up, at any point in time on these videos, and then you can actually link these images. When people actually click on these images, it's going to take them to your affiliate link, and this is one way to actually drive a ton of traffic and make money with affiliate marketing without you having to create content at all. Also, bonus number 3. Now, one cool thing about Flash is that it doesn't require you to show your face on camera. Now, I'm going to be showing you a number of ways that allow you to make money without you having to show your face on camera. Now, they give you access to software, but I'm also going to be showing you in this video where you can get access to some extra free software that gives you the flexibility of creating different types of content as you wish. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website. Now, either you want to create an affiliate website or an e-com website where you can actually sell your own product and get paid online. I'm going to be showing you how to do this. And if you want, with the knowledge you're going to be getting here, you can actually go on places like Fiverr and even create websites for other people and get paid hundreds of dollars just for doing that. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to some high value, high quality PowerPoint video templates that you can actually customize with the images you are going to be getting from the training in Flash. You can actually use this to create some high quality videos that are proven to to get people's attention, yes, and ultimately drive some high quality traffic. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to 200 mega background music tracks you can actually use also to make your videos even better. And also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to some high quality HD intro videos to actually make your videos, to set your videos apart and make your videos unique and actually make people want to stay on your videos and ultimately want to take action that make you get paid online. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to cloud-based software that gives you access to done-for-you product reviews. All you need to do, like in the case of ClickBank, is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID and then come and save it to your profile. Now, all the done-for-you high-quality ClickBank product reviews become active with your affiliate links, and then you can start getting paid just within hours of getting access to this. Also, bonus number 9, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, and there's a ton of them, both the general bonuses and the exclusive bonuses. You are going to be getting access to all these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. So to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Flash, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the training and software. And once you purchase Flash, simply log into your Warrior Plus account, go to your purchases where you find Flash and you find my own bonuses right next to it. So here it says, new for holidays 2021, we get paid for pasting free pics. Brand new $44 billion Google shopping trick pays me $115 per picture for simply pasting free product pics. No skills, no paid ads, no paid accounts, no waiting to get paid. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get full information about Flash once this goes live, 9 a.m. 19th of November. So that's going to be my review of Flash. I'm going to let you see a brief demo right now, but you're going to find the welcome video right here on this bonus page. So the front end of Flash goes for a one-time fee of $17. Now there are some optional upgrades which you can go through, and if you want, you can pick whichever one you decide to pick up. But even if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to all my custom bonuses. So that's going to be my review of Flash. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out my Flash review, and it's bye for now.
So let me just go over to YouTube, and you can see I've prepared this search here, which is best iPhone to buy in 2021. And by the way, I didn't put this fully in. I just put best iPhone, and straight away YouTube's, best iPhone to buy in 2021. So if I click on this, you can see that we have videos from 2 months ago, 10 months ago, 1 million views, 180,000 views, 20,000 views, and so on and so forth. Now, if I scroll back up, and I just want to show you something, I changed this to 2022, and actually let me just arrange this by recency. So arranged by upload date. And then we'll scroll back down and you can see the first match has, and this is, the only one that really actually relates to this keyword. You can see the next one is a projector. And then the next one is best mobile phone of 2022. So, for iPhone 2022, the actual iPhones themselves, this video here, which is 8 seconds long, by the way, is the one that is the closest match that's recently been uploaded. And you can see that the channel has only got 75 subscribers. The video has got 820 views in 13 hours. So this is what I'm talking about when it comes to this opportunity. That this is basically a blue ocean, okay? There's almost no competition for these keywords, and all of this inventory that's been built up over the last, 15 years that YouTube has been online for these types of keywords is about to become obsolete over the next few weeks. And as you can see, people are already searching 2022 in their keywords, but there's no one there, okay? And so this switch is about to happen, but almost no one has created content targeting these keywords. And what that means for us is that we can rank number one for these keywords very quickly and very easily, just like this guy here with his 8-second video that's getting, 1,000 views a day, even though he has no channels, no subscribers on his channel. And so we can do it with 1/10 the effort and 1/10 of, probably even less, probably 1/100th of the competition that we would normally expect. And that's really important because we're going to be using a lot of automation when it comes to this method. And so if we had to create a phenomenal video with amazing content and all these things, we probably wouldn't be able to do it with the AI and the automation and the copy and pasting and all the other things, all the other shortcuts we're going to take. But because of this part of the opportunity, it lowers the bar and it allows us to actually take advantage using the automation and the system that I'm about to dive into. And then the final point, or the final opportunity here, is that people are already sold. So really all we need to do is to flash a nice picture at them. And again, let's just go back to this example. This is 8 seconds and this is a picture, and I'm not going to watch the video, but if I do, you'll see it's just a nice video showing the iPhone. That's literally all it is. And so the people who are watching these videos, the people who are running these searches, are already going to buy, okay? And this is really, really important. So by the time your video appears in front of people, they are already buying. And what that means is that there's absolutely no selling required here. In fact, you don't want to sell people, because if you give them the impression that you're doing anything other than just being informative, then you're going to really put them off. And what this means for us is that we can literally just copy and paste pictures and text summarizing products, okay? So we're literally going to be summarizing products with the campaigns that we're going to be launching. But really, with that being said, the one thing that we can control is the picture, okay? So from the testing that we've done, from the campaigns we've launched in the past, we can tell you that the picture, the photo, or rather the photos, if you're going to be having multiple products in your videos, are the most important element. Really, everything else you're going to be doing here is all copy and pasting, but it's really all going to be data entry apart from the pictures, which you have control over. And that's why we do recommend that you pay particular attention to the photos that you paste into the software. And we say that a nice photo is very often the thing that pushes buyers over the edge.